Welcome to the weekend meditation. This is Elsie Kerns, your overwhelm warrior. And what a weekend we have. On Friday, April Fool's Day, we welcomed in a new moon. If you were on the West Coast, it was Thursday night. So we have 24 hours within which to write our abundance check. If by some chance you forgot or missed it, write it now. Write it today. And you can see this short video to learn exactly how to do it if you've never done it before. Someone asked, well, what if you don't have any checks? Simply draw that on a piece of paper and use it that way. We're also going to have another new moon on April the 30th. So we have double abundance this month, twice to write our abundance check and set intention for what it is we're asking the universe to bring us during this month. As we think about bringing in the new, we're going to simply let go of the old. So we're just going to open our palms and bring in the new and push out the old. Again, bringing in the new, pushing out the old. Bring in the new, push out the old. Bring in the new, push out the old. One last time, bring in the new, push out the old as far away from you as possible. Now for this week's meditation, we're going to do something very simple. We're going to bring the right and left palms together. I invite you to close your eyes and remove the distractions of the outside world. Just allowing yourself to now go inside and focus on your inner world. Your palms together connect a lot of electrical circuits in your energy body. Your fingertips, your palms, they are connecting to a number of different specific energy points and lighting them up. So we don't need to do anything but just sit quietly. Eyes are closed, removing distractions from both your outer world and now focusing on your inner world. Take a breath, relax, drop the shoulders. And as we are aware of being in this time of great confusion, chaos, grief over all that is happening in our world, at the same time, let us be grateful and focus on gratitude. Just quietly in our inner world, giving gratitude for all that we have. And at the same time, sending love and compassion to all those that are suffering through the displacement of war, through fear, depression, anxiety, and through the abuse of power. So let us remember to focus on the power of love versus the love of power. Breathing in, maintaining your own natural rhythm. And just continuing to keep your palms together. Allowing this action to resonate in your being with a sense of peace and tranquility. Keeping your eyes closed and going deeper into your inner world. Breathing deeper and slower. Feel the warmth building between your palms and your fingertips. Just breathing in a new moment as you breathe out the old. Now place one hand over the other, right around the heart center between the breasts. And bring that warmth, compassion, and caring for the world around you into your own being now for self-care, self-love, and this few moments to nurture your body, mind, and spirit. Rest with this and yourself for a few more moments before returning to the activity of everyday life. Thank you for joining me. This is Elsie Kerns, and I will see you next week.